everyone, welcome to another lesson of Wisdom Waves. Today another question for quadratic formula which has square roots, and a lot of kids face a challenge in this. So my question over here is root 3x squared minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. As told in the last lesson, we first write the value for a. Over here it is root 3, my b is minus 2 root 2 and my c is minus 2 root 3. Just a quick recap, if my value for d is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. If it's equal to 0, roots are real and equal. And they are less than 0, then my roots are imaginary, which is iota. In the next lesson we are going to do that. So d is b square minus 4ac. I plug in the values very quickly. Minus 2 root 2 is my b. My a is root 3 over here. And my c is negative 2 root 3. Students, please remember to put the signs because that will change the value of discriminant if you do not put it. Once I plug in the square of 2 root 2. What is the square of 2 root 2? 2 into 2 into 2. Why? Because root 2 square is 2. And here 4 root 3 to 2 root 3 is 8 into 3. So my discriminant comes out to be 32. If it's 32, my roots are real and unequal. Definitely they are not repeated roots. When I take out the square root for the discriminant because I need to plug into the formula, I get the square root of 32 as 4 root 2. How did we get that? The square root of 32 can be written as 16 into 2 and the square of 16 is 4. Sorry, the square root of 16 is 4. So plugging into the formula, minus b plus minus root d by 2a, 2 root 2 plus minus square root of 4 square root 2 upon 2a. I know this will create a little bit of confusion for you, but I have reduced it by taking 2 common. If you can just see over here, the square root of 4 is 2. So what I can do is I can take 2 common from the numerator and denominator and strike off to get my answer over here, which is 1 plus minus square root of square root 2 upon square root of 3. Of course, this can be rationalized later. If you have any doubts regarding this question or a suggestion for the video that you want to see next, just let me know. I'll see you in the next lesson.